2003-2004. Just going to show you how to replace the indicator bulb. Now as I've got the hazards on, you can see the right one's working, the left one isn't. I'm just going to switch the hazards off. And to take the bulb out, it's quite a simple procedure. On the back here, as you can see, there's that little clip there. You got the screw there, you got to undo. Make sure you don't drop it inside. And all you need is a T25 Torx, T25 right there, and the screws in there. Once you've undone the two little screws, I'm just going to quickly undo these two now. Just make sure you don't drop it if you're working outside near the drains or whatever. And then on the inside, I then undo this as well. Sometimes they can be a little tight, so what you do, use a flat screwdriver to undo it. That's undone. The bulb you need is a 382, so it's not the color bulb, it's just a normal bulb, single filament one. You then pull the light out, just right there. As you can see, you got the top one which is for the brake and the tail light, the bottom one which is for the indicator. Now that bulb there is blown, see right inside. I then take the bulb out. Sorry, just working on my own, so it's going to get a bit difficult, but that's the bulb right there. Got the new one in the box here, and I put the new one on. There's only one way the bulb would go, so you don't have to mess around with anything. It just push the bulb in, twist it to my left or right, whichever way it was, and then slot the cover back in, basically the holder back in, and that's tight. All now I do is slot it through that hole, as you can see, and then there's a lug here as well. I just slot the lug in, make sure she's all in, and now switch the hazards on, make sure they're working. There we go. That's it. So don't forget, put the screw back in, put the other screw back in on the back as well, and the Torx on the front, and that do the job. Anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.